How is it being here? I think it's always exciting being a part of anything to do with Filmfare. I think Filmfare is always about style, about glamour, about I think just being awesome. So yes, this is a special evening for a lot of people, and another excuse for all of us to dress up and come out. Yeah.
प्राची हम देखें आपको शुरुआत से आपको देखा है कितना वंडरफुली आपने अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया है फ्रॉम अ गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर टू लाइक अ ग्लैमर गर्ल नाउ
Gee, I don't know if it was just a change with time or whether it was the profession demand or what was it, but I think I have totally thoroughly enjoyed the process. I feel like I've really come into my own now, and I think I enjoy every bit of it. Earlier in the beginning, I think there was a lot of pressure, but I've started enjoying the process now.
याद आती है आपको पहले आपने शुरू किया था और अब आप अपने आप को देखती हैं मिरर में
No, I think I see a completely different person now in me, and I think with time, this change and everything, I think there's been like a beautiful gradual change, and I love it. I love what I see in the mirror now.
और तू
Yes.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप उसके बारे में
I think Rock On is a very, very special film for all of us. मेरे लिए खास करके because Rock On was my debut. It was Farhan's debut, and over the years, I think it's been an amazing journey. And to come back to that, it's like life has come a full circle. So I think Rock On is very, very special to me.
प्रमोशंस में मिस कर रहे हैं हम आपको
Not really. We have things that are planned. I think very soon you're going to see, us in full swing. Yeah.
she looks great
I don't think this is the right place for me to comment on it, but I would at least like to say कि अब तक की जितनी फिल्म्स ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुकी हैं उन्हें प्लीज़ रिलीज़ करने दीजिए. I hope that there's no problem in those films. Further from here on, I think they can decide what they want to do. But अब तक जो ऑलरेडी शूट हो चुका है, I hope that those films don't have a problem.
प्राची एक क्वेश्चन है मुझे आपसे आजकल फिल्म्स में कैमियोज बहुत होते हैं लाइक स्पेशल बिग स्टार्स मेक कैमियोज इन बिग फिल्म्स सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू लाइक डू यू थिंक कैमियोज टेक अवे द फोकस फ्रॉम द मूवी या फिर स्क्रिप्ट का जो रहता है इसमें मेन स्टार का रहता है अगर कोई बड़ा स्टार कैमियो करता है डू यू थिंक इट टेक्स अवे द फोकस
I think cameos are pretty exciting. They're kind of special because they create such a lot of mystery and intrigue among people. And yes, when it's one of your favorite actor out there, then I think it's kind of special and it's very, very exciting for the audience. So I think cameos are kind of fun because it's like a surprise package. So I think it's always nice. Yeah.
प्राची लास्ट सवाल पूछूं मैं आपसे आजकल हम टीवी में देख रहे हैं काफी नागिन आ गई है सुपरनैचुरल थिंग्स आ गई है कैसा देखती है ट्रेंड आप काफी चेंज किया है सुपरनैचुरल और ये सब
आप मुझे डरा रहे हो. I think it's a very sad phase for television. I think there needs to be way better content on TV right now. I'm sure we can do a lot better. And yes, I think we really need to make better shows. Thank you.